Hello，大家，我哋繼續嚟睇2025年嘅past paper 第二條。呢一條題目咧就係一條 allowance for doubtful accounts 同埋 bad debts 嘅題目嚟嘅。佢就係啦，佢自己單獨自成一個咁樣出咗一條細嘅。咁我哋咧一齊嚟睇下佢呢個 account 要即係呢一個題目要做咩啦。A part 我哋 prepare allowance for doubtful accounts 啊，咁所以我就開咗佢先。咁 Ray commence business on 2023年1月1號啦，而家題目嘅日期咧係2024年12月31號啦，即係佢已經營運第二年噶啦。佢俾咗佢嘅日期嚟啦，咁就係即係2023年開始嘅。Balance of trade receivable account of the firm as at 上年年尾嘅時候，同埋今年年尾嘅時候咧係咁多。呢個係 trade receivable 嘅 account 嚟嘅，OK？trade receivable 嘅 balance 係咁多。Opening 同埋 closing balance 啦。喺2023年年尾嘅時候咧，allowance for doubtful accounts 係3% was provided on the balance of trade receivables account。好啦，佢俾23年年尾俾我係咩意思咧？其實佢就係想我哋逼翻 allowance for doubtful debts 嘅 balance board 單出嚟嘅啫。嗱，你要 get 到呢個位，佢俾 trade receivable 你，我有咩用啊？就係因為我哋係按照佢3% 去計 allowance for doubtful accounts 啊嘛。好啦。我哋溫一溫書先，allowance for doubtful accounts 係一個負 assets 嘅 account 嚟嘅，所以佢係 credit side 嗰度加啦。跟住我哋再落啦，我哋 balance board 單嘅時候咧，所以佢就會出現喺呢一個 account 嘅 credit side 啦。我哋2024年嘅1月1號嘅時候咧，我哋會有一個 balance board 單嘅。點樣計出嚟咧？就係用翻180,000乘翻3%啦。你就應該會計到係5400啦。我哋再落啦。Due to poor economic conditions，佢最後 decide to increase percentage of allowance for doubtful accounts to 6%。我哋年尾嘅時候 balance carry down 個數咧，balance carry down 個數咧，我哋要用6% 去計啦。但係因為我哋可能今年有 bad debt written off 啊，呢啲路路咁樣啦，所以可能我哋要稍微調整一下我哋 carry down 去計佢個數啦。好，跟住再落第二個，the following debts were written off。你留意下啦，第一個 Kevin 咧，Kelvin 係2023年 written off 嘅，所以我哋2024嘅時候咧，我哋唔需要做佢嘅 bad debt written off 啦。但係 Nancy 係2024年 written off 嘅，所以我哋要做啦。我哋就會喺我哋 allowance for doubtful accounts 嘅 debit side 嗰度，2024年3月1號嘅時候咧，我哋嘅 trade receivables。Nancy 咧，記得寫埋個名啦。Nancy 佢就係4100蚊，佢 bad debt written off，真 written off 嘅呢個人。第三項啦，9月27號嘅時候，Kelvin 就係我哋之前上年 written off 嗰個人咧，佢 repay 翻70%，即係 bad debt recover 啦。嗱，呢一個係真 bad debt written off。而呢一個咧，佢係 repay 翻個金額 written off 之前 written off 呢個係 bad debt recover 嚟嘅，bad debt recover。而 bad debt recover 咧，你 recall 翻你記憶咧，我哋要重現翻 Kelvin 嘅債務，因為佢係2023年 written off 咗啊嘛。所以我哋咧喺 allowance for doubtful accounts 去做嘅時候咧，我哋就要寫翻啦。9月27號嘅時候咧，我哋要重啟翻 trade receivables。Kelvin 嘅 account 啫，而佢只係還70%啫，我唔會係成個2120，我哋要2120乘以70%。Kelvin 還嘅金額就係1484啦。OK，最後啦，喺10月1號嘅時候咧，Kitty bought goods for 19000蚊 from Ray 我哋啦。At the end of 2024咧，Ray 就發覺 Kitty had financial difficulty，所以佢就 provide。好嚟啦，provide 5600蚊嘅 specific allowance。我哋平時 provide 嘅 allowance for doubtful accounts 係 general 咁樣成個 percentage 嘅啫。但係咧，我哋好少會 practice 嘅就係有陣時咧，我哋會 specific 俾一個 allowance 俾特定人士嘅。嗱，就住佢呢19000嘅債咧，我哋 provide 5600蚊嘅 specific allowance。Kitty 呢19000嘅債咧，sorry 啊，19000嘅債仲會唔會計落去？我哋要乘6%，頭先呢個6%年尾嗰個 allowance for doubtful accounts，我哋就唔會計噶啦，我哋會 exclude 咗呢19000噶啦。如果唔係，我哋就會 double count 咗噶啦。OK，呢度講明啦，no The allowance for doubtful accounts will be provided on the remaining balance of Kitty's account。佢呢度都講明啊，佢驚你唔 get 啊。specific allowance，你 provide 完 specific allowance，你再 provide 多個 general 嘅 allowance 俾 Kitty，咁呢條友唔使還錢㗎啦。OK，咁所以咧，我哋年尾嘅時候咧，我哋處理翻啦。年尾嘅時候咧，我哋 balance carry down，今年要 provide 幾多 allowance 咧？首先咧，我哋就係睇翻我哋嘅 trade receivables 啊。我哋嘅 trade receivables 原本係215,000嘅，咁我哋咧首先我哋要減走咗咧，就係要減走翻嗱，我哋呢度需唔需要減走 Nancy 呢個 bad debt written off 咧？我哋唔需要噶啦，因為佢俾咗我哋12月31號咧個金額係215,000噶啦，而 Nancy 3月1號已經處理咗佢噶啦，即係已經處決咗噶啦，所以我哋記得唔好手多減埋 Nancy 呢筆錢啦，我哋直接用215,000咧，我哋減翻我哋 provide 咗 specific allowance 嘅 Kitty 嗰筆債嗰19,000，嗱記得唔好減5600喎，因為 Kitty 爭我哋嘅錢係成19,000咁多噶，所以你記得我哋215,000嘅 total trade receivables 入邊咧，我豁免咗呢個19,000嘅人之後咧，我乘以6%，再加埋我嘅 specific allowance 5600，呢一個就係今年度嘅 balance carry down 啦，咁就應該會計到係17360嘅。OK，咁最後咧，我哋逼翻個數出嚟啦。呢個係21460啦。咁我哋最後12月31號逼出嚟呢一個咧，就係 bad debts expenses 啊。咁就係14576啊，21460。OK，咁咧嗱，for 大家 reference，我哋如果真係要 base on 呢個做 financial statements 啲數係點樣用嘅咧？嗱，呢一個 carry down 咧，balance carry down 呢一個數17360年尾 provide allowance 呢個數咧，其實係 suppose 出現喺你嘅 statement of financial position 嗰度，trade receivables 頁215,000下邊 less allowance for doubtful accounts，你就係用呢個數噶啦，statement of financial position。而呢一個咧 bad debt expense 出現喺邊個咧？佢就會出現喺income statement 嗰度啦，就係出現喺你 expenses 嗰度咧，我哋應該會有一個叫做 bad debts expense 喺你嘅 expenses 入邊啦。OK，咁就完成啦，我哋呢個 allowance for doubtful accounts 嘅題目。OK，嗱，咁跟住落 B part 啦，B part 我已經寫咗答案噶，但係點解我一早寫定答案咧？就因為我想同大家拆呢3分究竟點樣做。咁首先第一個咧就係佢咧 with reference to 1 above。就係我哋而家知道咧，而家係一個 poor 嘅 economic condition，咁佢決定增加 allowance for doubtful accounts 啊。我哋而家要解釋，透過一個 relevant 嘅 accounting principle 解釋點解 Ray was right to increase。嗱，我哋而家係 proof，我哋解釋點解 Ray 係正確，點解我哋要增加我哋嘅 allowance for doubtful accounts。咁而佢相對應嘅 account 咧，即係相對應嘅 concept 好明顯嘅咧，就係 prudence concept 咯。我哋唔想去 overstate 我哋嘅 assets 同 profit 咯。咁我哋個分係點拆嘅咧？第一分就係 concept 名啦，prudence 啦，串錯字咧係冇分㗎啦。你甚至乎下邊有機會唔睇你嘅。如果你 identify 錯咗 concept 嘅話，後邊解釋就冇分㗎啦。咁所以 prudence 冇串錯字啦，prudence。咁咧就係 business should adopt accounting policy which are least likely 最唔會 overstate assets 同 profit 嗱，你幫我 highlight assets 同 profit，你要講晒兩個，考評局講明你要講晒兩個，你唔可以講 least likely to overstate assets 或者 least likely to overstate profit。如果你淨係2揀1咁講咧，佢就唔俾分你啦。所以 definition 1分啦，嗱呢度 concept 名1分 definition 1分，最後解釋。application 1分啦，呢一個3件套咧，我相信咧個個老師都係咁教噶啦。你答呢啲3分題嘅 accounting concept 咧，一定係咁噶啦。咁最後呢一分咧就係 under poor economic condition 啦。呢一個係題目俾你噶，你唔需要用自己腦諗噶，講咗俾你聽噶。而家係 poor economic condition，而家經濟好差嘛，咁所以經濟差會點啊？啲人有機會有啲公司未必營運得咁好啦，咁所以咧就會係 more likely to be unable to repay the debts 啊，customers。likely to be unable to repay debts 呢一個係你推論出嚟嘅，因為經濟差，咁所以你嘅客可能未必有能力還錢啦。咁所以咧，嗱你最後要解翻啦，最後 Ray was right 都係照抄嘅啫，因為題目已經問叫咗你去解釋 why Ray was right 嘛。咁所以咧你就解釋翻啦，Ray was right to increase percentage 咯。 就你要咁樣解釋，用翻晒佢啲字眼去解釋，prove 佢係啱嘅。所以點解要咁做啊？因為我哋增加咗 allowance for doubtful accounts，我就係唔想 overstate 我哋嘅trade receivables 嘅金額，同埋計多咗我哋講嘅 profits 咯。咁所以就係咁啦，3分，就係咁。